Chapter 3: How to use this book. Congratulations, you do now have the book on your device. It should have a substantial positive impact on your life. This may be to seize more opportunities, to let things go, to step up or to step away, and that's entirely up to you. You may decide to carry on as you are. It's totally in your gift. The important thing is finding your authentic life. And that sounds a bit new age like Harry and Meghan, and I'm generally a supporter. Think of your life as a movie. You need to be the star or director of it, or both. There is only one take, so make the most of it. Please do what works best for you in your life. So how do you approach tackling your imposter? I tried to write in a logical sequence for someone who wanted to know what imposter syndrome was. To look at whether you have it, to look at where it came from and to understand how to tackle it, and to look at the range of treatment options in a stepwise sequence. To engage in some brief exercises using elements of these therapies. This can either produce change immediately or help you feel more comfortable accessing the specific therapies. There is a blog post, What I Wish Someone Had Told Me About How Therapy Actually Works. We are all different, thank goodness. You might want to walk through the whole process and engage in some of the therapies in turn, or do all the exercises to feel comfortable with therapy. You should gain an understanding of imposter syndrome. Then you might happily book an appointment and skip the exercises altogether, and that's great. You might want to dip in and out and get a flavour of the options, and that's fine too. There are also some links to some relaxation taster options. These are not, repeat not, forced resilience training or relaxation. None of that, you just need to. Tackling your inner imposter is a big step. It can be all overwhelming. An exercise might produce a big emotional reaction. Don't worry, some of what surfaces may have been buried for decades. Please dip into the relaxation options or talk to someone you trust, a friend or a therapist, or both. Please commit to embracing change. Many of us will dip a toe many times before jumping in, and that's fine. We spent ages building our wall and allowing it to drift away or downwards, which feels overwhelming and vulnerable. Once you decide therapy is what you want, don't wait. Many potential clients delay booking therapy. Please just go for it. There is good help out there.